Okay, it is Saturday, April 1st, 2017, and we are in Stillwater, Oklahoma right now. It's about 5:25 p.m., as you can see. And here are all the Comfortmakers. This is take number 2, actually, because TM Brandish interrupted the last one because he gave me this room key right here. I guess he's interrupted for a good reason. Yeah, this one's from 2008. It's a 4-tone. They're all from 2008, actually. But yeah, last time I didn't really get a very good look at that one because there's a guy right there that got out of his car and pretty much just asked me what I was doing and stuff. So, well, he was nice. He asked me if I was interested in air conditioners or something like that, and talked about it on my YouTube channel to him and stuff. So, yeah. And this one is running right here, as you can see. I think this is a 3.5 ton. Oh, it's a 3-ton. It was either a 3-ton or a 3.5 ton. And there's only a couple of them running. I'm surprised because it's kind of warm right now. I think it may have been warmer last time. I don't know. Maybe not. This one, wow, this one is clean on the inside. Dang. It's a 5-ton. This one's pretty clean on the inside too. It's got a Copeland scroll compressor. These are all straight cool units. 2.5 ton. I think this one was just running and this one was off a few minutes ago. These are 2 tons. And there's no one in there, right? Yeah. Here's a Fujitsu running. The air is kind of cool coming out of here, but I'm pretty sure it's running in cool mode. I don't see why it would be running in heat mode. I mean, it's a straight cool unit anyway, I think. Let's see. That is kind of faded. Oh, yep. Air conditioner. It's a straight cool unit. There's someone coming out. So let's go take a look at this thing over here while we wait for this guy. See, that's the thing I don't like about those right there by that door is that it's, there's always people coming out of those. I'll be right back. This guy's so long. I was waiting for that guy. This one turned on right here. I don't think I got this one yet running today. Okay, so here's these units. Oh, that guy is still out here, dude. So this one is running, as you can see. This is a 2-ton. 2008. This is, well, I'm assuming these are all 2 tons. Yeah, 2 tons. So this one has 2 tons. Some Copeland scroll compressors, and these are straight cool units, I think. Yeah, these are straight cool. Alright. So yeah. There are the Comfortmakers.